Bend one lemon yellow pipe cleaner at about 3 centimeters. Leave about 1.5 centimeters on the short end and twist tightly. Form 5 petals one by one. Adjust the flower shape. Keep the stem about 8 centimeters long and trim the rest. Fold one light yellow stamen in half and cut it in half. Use one piece as the center. Wrap the stem with light green floral tape. Make 10 lemon yellow flowers. Repeat the same steps to make 10 tea green flowers. Take one floral stem. Attach the 20 flowers along the stem with light green floral tape. Distribute the two colors evenly on both sides. Shape the cluster into a half sphere. Wrap the entire stem with floral tape.